Hi, today in front of me OPPO A16S and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you'll see here all of the available options here. If you want to add some options or just remove some of them or just to change their positions, click here to this edit icon. And if you wanna, for example, remove the screenshots icon or the app lock or the mobile data, just click on the right upper corner on each of these these icons on these red minuses. Just if you want to add some options here by the same way, just click on this plus icons on the right upper corner of each of these options. So if you want to just change the position of the icon, you just should hold it and just drag it to the left or to the right side to the position where you want to change it. Then just go back to save all the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.